Hello everybody, here's another quick unwrapping of a Playmobil blind box. So I really like these. Again, I mentioned in a previous video is that I eventually want to do like a D&D campaign, and these are really great character pieces to use as a character, especially for newer players who don't know what to do with their character and they want to, use something based off of, like, I would imagine if I start a new campaign of D&D with new people who haven't done D&D before and need help with character creation, I would put these in like a bag and have them like random draw a character out, and they would base their character off of that. You could be like a bard, you could be like a magician, archer. So this is a really great pack to have. This is the Series 11 Playmobil. The girls figures. There are guys, but these are what I'm into. So got these. So let's open one up. I'm hoping I don't get dupes. When I go to Toys R Us, I kind of feel around the package to try to figure out what is inside. These are only $3.99, so they're not bad price. So yes, I knew it. Okay, so I got one of the ones I wanted, which is the Archer girl. I can tell because when I was feeling the bag, I could feel like the hair braid. I'm like, yes, this has to be the Archer. So for those who didn't watch my last video, here's a quick display of all the different Playmobil characters you can get. So I already got the chocolate lady last time, and the genie. Oop, you guys can hear the train in the background. I live near a train track, so yep, it's the hype train. So I really wanted this one, but especially these two. I'm really hoping to find these two, the farmer lady and the flower power lady, and maybe the bard. I think the bard's pretty cool with her guitar. So let's assemble this. This is pretty straightforward. So we have, her chest and legs, her accessories, her necklace, I'm assuming, her head. Her head's just simply putting like her wig on. Hopefully it's not too hard. And her body piece. So first things first, it's always, I think, putting this like this. You'll always hear a snap. So this is snapped on. And next would be her body piece, would be her arms. And then you put the bottom half on. Again, there should be like a snap. Yeah, there we go. And the arms stay on, like once you have that on. Finally, you just attach the head. Again, you can hear the snap. So, really quick assembly. She came with an extra arm? Okay, I didn't realize. Okay, so a third arm? I'm kidding. I'm not sure why she came with extra arm. They're about, it's not different positioning, so I don't know. So that's cool that she comes with an extra arm in case, I guess, it's broken. Because from the looks of it, the shape is same as the other ones. Of course, these pieces are small, so it might be easy to lose them. I think these are her gloves. Let's see, I think you do this. So this one has a lot of small parts. Let's put the gloves on. Okay, so her gloves. She has her gloves on. And then let's give her her back. Oh, how do I do that? Okay, so I've run into a conundrum, I think. I see. I think I got it. So before I snap the head on, let me take this out. This is how her bow is attached. There's this little piece right here. That's also part of her necklace. And then you snap it on. There we go. She has a nice cool necklace. And then you could attach this part. Oh, are these removable? No, no. They're not removable, so don't try to pull them out. But they move about. Put this back here. So you snap this. So now she has her bow and arrows. And then she's holding her bow like this. Okay, cool. And then let's put her hair on. Hopefully this is one of the ones that stay really well. The last one I had with the milkmaid, her hair did not want to stay. Yeah, this one seems to snap on really well. So there you go. An archer with an extra arm for some reason. Interesting. Unless she has a hidden third arm I don't know about. I really like her hair. This is one of the ones. And the good thing about like these Playmobil figures is you can mix and match. So now we have her assembled. Let's put her down. This one I'm hoping is the farmer chick, because I was feeling around the bag and it seemed like it would be her stuff in there. Let's see what we get. Yes, yep. I can tell, yes, I think it is the farmer chick. It's her hat. I'm pretty sure. I think I felt the bag correctly. Yep. Okay, cool. So I got the farmer chick I wanted. So now that's all that's left on the list for me is to get the dapper horse riding chick, the flower chick, maybe the bard now. The princess is kind of cool if we're doing a D&D campaign, and the sorceress, somebody wants to play a magician or something. So let's assemble this just like the other ones. You always put this on the leg first. Here, that snap. Put on the leg, her body piece. Let's see. I really find it weird that the archer had an extra arm, because usually they don't give you an extra arm. She has a lot of small pieces as well. Not sure how to assemble her actually, but we'll figure it out. So, like usual, I'm gonna put her arms on first. Arms in. Arms. Okay, sorry. So until you snap the legs on, these are very loose, like on the body. Let's put this in. Let's hear that snap. I think you can hear it. Okay. Yeah, okay, I think it's on. Yep. See, there's always that gray part. I wish they did like this part blended to the outfit, but I get it, because you might swap around. So as you can see, once the body part is connected, these are stiffer, they're not loose. Thinking, oh, okay, so this red part goes on the hat from what I'm seeing on the pictures. This way, yeah. So now she has a little cute bow on her farmer hat. Let's put her head on. And then let's put her wristlets. Okay. Whoopsie daisy. Like, working with small pieces is hard sometimes. Especially since I'm always afraid to lose stuff like this. Okay. I'm experiencing butterfingers tonight. Come on, snap on. Yeah, I got on. I just need to rotate it. There we go. Her wristlet is on now. Let's put on the other one. Goes this way. There we go. Her wristlet is on. Now let's put on her hat. Or actually, I think we put on her bag first. Right? So it's like this on her. How do I fit this in without this coming apart is the question. Because I don't see anything to hold this in place. Wait, okay. Hopefully this works. Let's put this on her. I'm hoping this stays on. Like this. I don't know. Looking at the pictures, seems complicated. Okay, I might have to take a bit more time to figure this part out. But we can simply just put her hair on. Again, hopefully this is one of the wigs that stay on her head. Oh, nope, I don't hear that snap. Usually there's like that sweet snap spot. So this is one of those looser wigs that is prone to come off. So you have to be careful with this one. Let's put her hat on. Okay, so the hat is on, but the hair won't stay. There's supposed to be like a, in the back, you see like a connector piece. It's probably hard to see because it's black, but it's supposed to somehow help it stay on. So it's one of those that are harder. Yeah, so you just have to be careful, you know, the wind doesn't blow their head off. Your D&D campaign, a high gust of wind. Yeah, it's having trouble staying on. Did I screw this on? Uh-oh, that's kind of creepy. Okay. I don't know. This is difficult. It's kind of noisy because I want it to stay. Okay, she's gonna be bald for now. Yeah, so you put this here, and then of course she's holding her little corn. You see this little corn that she can hold in her hand. Okay, so she has her corn in her hand. Again, her wig fell off. I really like this. It reminds me of the One Piece hat kind of thing, but like a girl version. Again, the problem is it's not wanting to stay on, and that's gonna be a problem. Like, at least with the milkmaid or chocolate lady, it somehow stayed on. Okay, this one's not even wanting to. Okay, just have to be careful. And then again, I don't know how to keep this bag on her. So there you have it. This is not built very well, let's just say. Like, there's nothing to keep them on. I think that's like the main problem, to keep it connected or wanting to stay on. Like, it just falls off. Like, her bag is empty on the other side. It's half a bag. It's like, what's the point of this bag? And there's no connecting pieces. Usually there should be a connecting piece to make stuff stay, but it doesn't. So you just have to be really careful with this. If somebody has some tips or tricks to keep this on, let me know. Like if you have this as well. Because it's not wanting to stay. And I don't know. Oh, maybe it's supposed to be this way? Am I doing it wrong? It's supposed to be like this, and you're supposed to see her bag exposed. Oh, maybe it's like this. Doy. For her oranges, I'm assuming, don't really stay on that well. there's no clip-on. So my suggestion is in the future they need to add some clip things on these little accessories. I'm thinking it's like this. It's like a bad, unusable bag. Like, I don't recommend this bag. You'll lose things. Yeah, so thank you for watching my unboxing video, and hopefully, you know, you don't have a hair problem like she does. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye. There we go. I mean, an extra arm. Bye, guys.